not the mower, but the helicopter. That is, I just videoed a chinook going by over the house. And now I'm out in the backyard. Hopefully I can get a glimpse of the, sounds like another chinook coming from that way. And that's from the east, going west. I don't know, they did that. Can you hear it? Yeah, the guy mowing and making a mess of this video. But it's a chinook. Anything that low in the RPMs. Where is it? Come on, show yourself. Yeah, you can hear it with the two blades. Mowing. Oh well. I don't see it. I don't have metal.